So this is my junior sister, and she also have natural hair like me. But you know what? She doesn't really know how to take down her natural hair the proper way. And she was about to take down her hairstyle in the salon. I was like, why don't I show my audience and also show her how to properly take down her natural hairstyle the proper way without inflicting pain, most importantly, causing hair breakage. Okay? If we can achieve this, so can you. Guys, we are 700 subscribers away from reaching 4,000 subscribers. Oh my god, that's a lot. So if you're new here, welcome, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give this video a huge thumbs up. It helps YouTube to promote it to more people. I'm sure that a lot of people that want to watch this video, I'm going to teach you all the techniques, every single thing you need to do in order to avoid unnecessary breakage. Stay tuned. Let's get the video started.
Your entire life can really change in a year. You just have to love yourself enough to know you deserve more, be brave enough to demand more, and be disciplined enough to actually work for more.
Say hi. Hi. So this is what we are working with. As you can see, the hair is really old. She carried it for more than a month. So this is a little hack for people that don't go about with a spray bottle. Someone like me, I traveled without my spray bottle. So what I did was to put water into this container and opened holes. You guys can see the holes, although the camera may not capture everything. So once I do it like this, water starts coming out. So the essence of sprinkling water all over the hair before loosening it is to hydrate the hair. We can't afford to work on dry hair. No matter any hairstyle you are working with, please hydrate it first. Get a spray bottle and apply water on the hair. The next step is to apply a conditioner. You can use a leave-in conditioner or a type of conditioner that you can wash out. That's a regular conditioner. The most important thing is that you must use a slippery product. If you don't have conditioner, make use of aloe vera. The purpose of applying a moisturizer on the hair is because we want to make sure our hair is soft enough before actually taking it down. Make sure you do not overdo it, like applying too much water or applying too much conditioner. No, that will make the hair to be kind of saggy, something like that. So please just a little goes a long way. We just want to work with soft hair and not dry hair. This is where the rat tail comb comes in. So we're going to use it to loosen the hair. So as for this part, you can literally use your fingers to loosen your hair, or you can make use of rat tail comb to ease the process. The purpose of rat tail comb is actually to part the hair and to also help in taking down hairstyles. So you can see that I'm taking my time to take down each braid, each cornrow. I'm not rushing the process. When your hair is tangled, please don't use force to untangle it. Okay, just take your time and loosen the hair properly. You can see that the hair is still intact. The essence of doing all of that, like sprinkling water, using conditioner, taking your time to loosen the hair, is to make sure to retain length. It doesn't make sense that we carry our hair for weeks, months, and end up not retaining a significant amount of length. All right, so the process of taking down your hairstyle will determine whether your hair actually grew or not. So imagine growing your hair very well in a month or in a particular time, and you end up losing your hair. You are rushing the entire process. You are handling the hair anyhow you want. There's no way you can actually tell whether your hair grew or not. In fact, you'll be thinking that your hair didn't grow. So right now we are actually done taking down the hair. As you can see, now it's time to divide the hair into 4 sections so that we'll start the detangling process. What?
I have to divide it.
Now, do you want me to comb the hair anyhow? Your hair will just break, finish. That's why your hair will not increase in length. So as you can see, I'm going to divide mine into four sections. The amount of section you are to divide your hair depends on how thick your hair is. So for those that have thicker hair, you need to work with 6 or 8 sections so that you can detangle the hair properly. Over here you can see that I'm applying water again. I'm just putting a little bit water on the hair so that it can hydrate it, because the one I put initially has dried off. Then I applied a moisturizer on the hair to soften it up. Hydration and moisture is very, very important. In fact, it's like one of the most important things when it comes to retaining length and avoiding split ends. So as you can see, I'm making sure the hair is well coated with the moisturizer. Then I'm going to finger detangle it using my thumb to separate the hair, removing all the knots. This is a process that I see very useful, because finger detangling actually helps to remove knots before you actually get to use a comb. For people that are like my sister and complain that this procedure is long, blah 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 blah, let me tell you something. Nothing good comes easily, all right? So if you want to achieve a healthy long hair, just know that the way you handle your hair, those that handles your hair can either break or make your hair. So after finger detangling, then I'll start using the wide tooth comb. I'm emphasizing on the wide tooth comb for people that will go and get an afro comb or small comb or rat tail comb and start using it to comb their hair. Please, 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 you don't want to use that on your hair when detangling. So you start from the tip of your hair, then you walk up to the root of your hair. If you start combing from the root of your hair, I guarantee you headache is going to be your sister or your brother. So you're going to be inflicting a lot of pain on your scalp if you start from the root, and probably cause hair breakage. So just avoid all of that and start detangling from the tip. So as you can see, I'm done with one section. Then I'll repeat the same process on the other section. So please, 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 I want to remind you guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Give the video a huge thumbs up, like the video, share it to people that you feel like will want to watch it. And yeah, I think that is all. As for my sister, she also have a YouTube channel called Chisom Okolocha. Please head over to her channel and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll leave the link in the description box and also put her channel name on the screen so that you guys will head over to her channel and subscribe to her YouTube channel and also support her growth. As for the leave-in conditioner that I use to detangle the hair, it's available. Just send me a DM on my WhatsApp lines at 08092624587 or 09051846475, or you can send us a DM on Instagram at bohair so that we'll get your products across to you as soon as possible. This is all the hair that came out. I always tell people this: the most important thing when it comes to hair care is the way you handle your hair. The way you handle your hair matters a lot. The moment you figure out the proper way to handle your hair when it comes to detangling it, manipulating it when you're making your hair, whether you are the one making your hair or someone else is touching your hair, it matters a lot. So if we can achieve this, so can you. Alright love, so we have come to the end of the video. Hope some of you have learned something from this video, for those that actually watched to the end. And if you're a mom and your child usually cries a lot when handling her hair or detangling her hair, try this process and I guarantee you that she will cry no more, and it will ease the process for you as a mom. Thank you all so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think below. Bye.
If there's something you wanna do, just do it. Don't let your head stop your heart from moving. If there's someone you want